Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to switch Notion to dark mode. Yes, Notion actually has a dark mode. Most people don't notice, but you can actually switch to Notion or switch dark mode on Notion through Notion's settings, right? You don't have to have any other, you don't have to have any other applications or apps, right? Or plugins. So let's get started. So first of all, go here to settings and members. And here, as you can see, if you go to settings, you cannot find Notion, appearance, right? So what we need to do is we need to go to My Notifications and Settings. Here, if you scroll down, you will see Appearance. Customize how Notion looks on your device. Here you have three different things. You have Use System Setting, you have Light, and you have Dark. So if you click Dark, as you can see, now our Notion is completely dark. It's amazing. It is good for the eye. I really like this Notion dark mode. And you can also obviously download Notion for your own PC and do it on your own PC as well. And on any app, if you're doing it on mobile, on computer, or on PC or Mac, it's the same. Just go here, My Notifications and Settings, and then switch it to dark mode. That's pretty much it. It's really simple, really easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Notion tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.